welcome to my channel. And here we are going to draw the orthographic views of this object, as you can see on the screen. And as the question says that we are just to produce the orthographic views, but the in written, the views that we are to produce, we are not told in written that okay, maybe we should produce the orthographic views in first angle projection or third angle projection, but symbolically we are to produce it in third angle projection because of this symbol that we are given. This is the symbol that we have in the drawing. So this symbol is for the third angle orthographic projection. When you see a symbol like this on a drawing, when it's come to orthographic drawing, orthographic views, so you have to produce the views in third angle projection. That is what this symbol means. Okay, now for this object, the front elevation is in this direction, so we are looking at it in this direction. So let's see in direction of arrow X. So what are we going to see in this direction? We are going to see this rectangle, okay, and within this rectangle we have a hole that is hidden. So let's take note of that. We are going to see this rectangle here. We see this rectangle, then we see this rectangle, then these holes are part of this rectangle that we have here. So those are the things that we are going to put together for the front elevation. Then we have what? For the plan, we are going to see this surface, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle. We see this rectangle, and then with this hole for the plan. While for the end elevation, so we have this shape, and then with this triangle for the this will be for the right end elevation. Then we have the same thing being repeated here on this side for the left end elevation. But we are going to start with the plan. We start with the plan, that is the top view. So we are going to draw this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle with this. So in third angle projection, so the plan is placed up and the front elevation is placed down. Then we have the left end elevation being placed on the left side of the front elevation, and the right end elevation being placed on the right side of the front elevation. You are going to see how I'm going to work this out right now. Let's start with the top view, so which we are placing up here. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line. So I have this horizontal line going across the whole page. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to come around here. Then I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then let's look at the dimensions. So distance from here to here, so from here to here is 100. It applies to this also, it applies to this rectangle. So the length is 100. So I will take a measurement of 100 millimeters. 100 millimeters. So this is 100 millimeters. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a line here, a vertical line here. So this is it. All right, so now let's start like this. Let's start like this. So we have this so we have this the length from here to here. For us to draw this rectangle, the total length from here to here is 60 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters. This is 60 millimeters here, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line all through. So because of the end elevation that we are going to draw, so I will draw a horizontal line all through the whole of this. Now, so let's draw this rectangle. So this rectangle is the one we are starting with. So the thickness is 10. So I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters here. So here I will draw a horizontal line and to course across the whole page. So this is it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do here, so we have drawn this rectangle. So we need to draw this rectangle. So the thickness of this rectangle is 10. So I will come, so just from here, then I will take a 10 millimeters. So we also have another one on this side. So I will take another 10 millimeters. Okay, then here I'm going to make it, just let me make it a thick line at once. so that I will not be doing that again. So making this a thick line from here to here, and then I will also draw it as a thick line, so from here to here. So because of the front elevation, I will use my red pen to produce this down, and also to take this down. Alright, so we have that. So another thing that we are going to have here is this circle, and we are told that for us to get the center of this circle, it is 25 from this edge here. So where is this edge that we have here? It is here. So I'm going to take a measurement of 25 millimeters, just like this, along the vertical. So this is 25 millimeters here. So then I'm going to draw horizontal center line, so all through the whole page. So it goes to the left side, and I'll also take it to the right side like this. Okay. Alright, so we have it like this. So we are told that, so for us to get this center line, it is 50 millimeters from this end here, the center line of this circle of the hole. So I will take 50 from this end, so 50 millimeters from this end. So this is 50 millimeters here, this is 50 millimeters. So I'm going to draw the vertical center line, because we are still going to do that in the front elevation that we are going to draw down here. So alright, so we have this. So for the circle, the diameter is 26. The diameter is 26. That means the radius is 13 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 13 millimeters. So this is 13 millimeters here. So putting the big point here, then I will draw the circle. So it goes like this. Okay. Alright, so that is the circle. So for the plan, so what we are left with are these two circles here. Okay, so we cannot see them, or these two holes, we can't see them when we are looking at the object from the top down. They will be hidden from us on this surface, so they are within this part. So we have that the center from here to here, from this end to this center here, is 20 millimeters. Same thing applies to this. From here to here is 20 millimeters. Okay, so the center line of the two circles, they are 40 millimeters apart. Okay, and then the diameter of these two circles is 16. So mean that the radius is 8. So what we are going to do now is that from this end here from this end, I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. Then I will come here and take 20 millimeters from this end. So this is 20 millimeters. Okay. So I'm looking at that distance. Okay, yeah. So it's okay. So that is the center. So I'm going to draw a center line. So that center line, I will also take it down. Okay, so I will take it down. So there is it. So draw a center line within this. So the center line is drawn with a long dash line. So in technical drawing, we have different types of lines that we use, and each line is expected to be used appropriately. And that is what I'm putting into my work. Okay, so so for the diameter of the hole, as I said, is 16. So we take 8. So 8 millimeters to the left side, 8 millimeters to the right side to make it 16. So we do the same thing here. So 8 millimeters to the left side, 8 millimeters to the right side to make it 16. Then it will be hidden. So it will be hidden in the plan. So we make this with short dashes line. Okay. Okay, so we come to this also. So we also draw it as short dashes line. Alright, so the last one is this. Okay, so now, so let's complete the top view. So that is the plan by making this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line, like this, from here to here. Okay, then this line also will make it a thick line from here to here. Then we also make this line a thick line from here to here. Then, so this line, so make it a thick line from here down, and then so make this also a thick line from here down. Okay, so this gives us the plan or the top view of this object. Let's analyze what we have here. This rectangle is drawn here, and then so this rectangle, we have it within here. This rectangle, this is it. This rectangle here, so is here. Okay, so the hole or the circle is here. So while these ones are hidden, they are within this part. So this is the top view or the plan of this this object in third angle projection. So let's meet on the video for the front elevation in third angle projection. Thank you, and God bless you.